In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sum to a column or cells in Apple numbers. This is on sample table. Data is there where there is couple list of fruits, their weight and price per pound, and total price is there. Now let's see how we can calculate the sum. So there are different approaches to find the sum. I will show you a couple of options. The first option is we need to select the data based on which we want to find the sum. So I just selected this many data, and then after that we have to click this insert button and it will bring the sum menu. From here we can click here and it will be added like this here. So this is one approach for getting the total sum of particular data. So what will happen if we want to sum for the entire column? How we can do this thing? So at that time we just need to select the entire column like this way. We have to click the column header and the entire column will be highlighted. Now we just need to click insert and then we have to choose sum. So this is one approach to find the sum. So if we want to add other rows, it will also add that data with this thing. That means it will show us the total sum. This is one approach. So I'm going back to the main table. So now the other way is to find the sum is at first we need to find the location where we want to find the sum. So suppose here I want to see the sum result of this data. So I'm going to click here and then I have to hit equal sign. Once we type equal sign, then it will bring this formula tab or formula option. Here we just need to start typing sum, SUM, and once we type sum, we'll see sum is there. Then we need to click here and then we need to choose the data which we want to add. For example, we want to add the sum for the entire list of data. So I'm going to click the column header and it will be highlighted like this way. And then once we are happy with that data set, then we have to click this green button basically. So I'm going to click here and here it will show the sum. So in this way we can easily find the sum. Now if we want to add some other data with this row, like for example this column also I need to add data, not this column, this two cells data also I need to add. So what will happen? So at that time we just need to double click and then we have to add this. We have to hold our shift key and then we need to click the data which you want to add like this way. And then after the data selection, then we have to click this green button and here it will show us the total result of these sets of data. And that's it. In this way we can easily sum a column or cells in Apple numbers.